you have a heart for snowman? If you do, stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. Then a bell will appear. Click that bell twice so you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today I am participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now this collaboration is titled the Thrifted Cookie Jar Open Collaboration, and it's hosted by Secondhand Tracey Ann. Now, if you're not familiar with Tracey Ann, I would include the link to her channel and a link to the playlist when it becomes available in the description box below. Now, let's talk more about this collaboration. All she wanted us to do was to decorate around it or put cookies in it or stage it in your kitchen, be it a cookie jar. She wanted you to be a subscriber to our channel, mention her channel in the video, and also include it in the playlist, and she wanted you to have fun. So if you're interested in seeing what I did for this challenge, you know what to do. Stick around. Now, if you know me, you know I have a love for snowmen. Not just any snowman. Snowmen with navy blue tops or hats and the light blue ribbons. I, for some reason, love those snowmen, and I also love the frost-colored snowman. So I have an extensive collection, so I'm going to stop babbling, and I'm going to let you see all the different types of snowmans and the different locations I have in my home. Now this is my cookie jar. I've had him for years and I've thrifted him. And as you know, I love snowman and he's blue. So, and to show you that he was a thrift find, he was a Goodwill purchase for $3.99 years ago. I think when I first moved to Houston. That's how long I've had him. So I thought he was really gorgeous, and it kind of helped kick off my love of blue snowman. And I think he looks good right there in my kitchen for this winter season. Now, if you enjoy my content, you know what to do. Give the girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my videos. If you haven't already gone to check out Creatively Miss Me, check out my blog. I have created forms to making planning easier for home organization and for content creators. So make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. And as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching and you be blessed.